now.
Hey yo! Hi. This is a food review or a vlog.
A food vlog.
Frog.
A flog.
Fraud. A fogu.
A flagoo.
A flagoo. Flagoo review. Going to Home Goods right now to look at some stuff because I'm moving soon. Going to Ramen. Go Audi. Shit. Going to Ramen Tatsu-Ya to try out the ramen. The ramen. The Ramen. Someone I know says Rayman. Every time I'm like, it's not Rayman. It's ramen. Get it right. Don't eat it. I hate it when people say pho.
Pho? Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you wanna go get some Vietnamese pho? I'm like, fuck you. It's pho, not pho. Okay. I'm going now. Peace out. Moving to this dope place in April. I feel like I'm so close to the camera. We got a wraparound balcony and we're gonna make this place look dope. It'll be like a bachelor pad. Why is it like shooting down at me? Yo, this is what we need in the house. That's how I get the ladies.
Fresh whip.
Fresh whip for my bitches. Where the rugs at?
I'm gonna pass on that.
Hater?
You can put those all in your room. Be
Here.
hella creepy.
Here, we'll put this up.
Fuck no.
Couldn't find a rug at Home Goods this time. But we're hungry. We're gonna go to Ramen Tatsu-Ya. Ramen Tatsu-Ya.
Tatsu-Ya.
Food review. Alright, we got some hush piggies. You see it? It is, I actually have no idea what it is, I completely forgot. I will look at the menu later and I'll put in what exactly it is. It's like hush puppies, but with pork instead. Finally, we got what we're waiting for. The Sukemen noodles. It is a dipping ramen. Has a chashu in there, an egg, noodles, lime, seaweed, dipping sauce, of course, and I got a little extra spicy bomb. I've had dipping ramen once. I have never had dipping ramen in Houston or the U.S. And let's see how this is gonna taste. 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 6 stars, or 1? We'll see. Okay, we just finished our ramen. Pretty cool. I give it blah blah blah. 1 to 5 stars. I'm thinking 3 stars for a dipping ramen. It was good. It wasn't bad. It wasn't amazing. The sauce was kind of too sweet for me. I had added garlic. I didn't add garlic. I added spicy bomb to it, but it was still too sweet. Kind of remind me of like Dan noodles. No hard feelings. I'll probably still come here again. The hush piggies, 4 stars. A little bit dry inside. It wasn't as good as when I had it in Austin. It was like very. It was more tender in Austin. But decor, service, everything is 5 stars. Everyone's really nice. Yeah, it's great. Probably come back here. Line isn't that long, so thank you for coming to Houston. Well, food review. What you think, Aaron? He said it's awesome. I don't know if you can hear it, but we're about to get out of here. Oh, we're about to get out of here. So, food review. Ramen Tatsu-Ya. Ramen 3 stars. Appetizer 4 stars. Decor 5 stars.
4 stars.
4 stars.
4 stars.
4 stars average on Yelp Elite. And bye.